You are going to love the 2016 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, passenger airbag, Bluetooth, automatic transmission, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, heated driver's seat, compass, fog lamps, power door locks, trip computer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.